Only 1 minute left. Your killing intent is unmatched, Hunter. It's a one-on-one fight now. This is it.